Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be opening and checking out this selfie light. Comes with a tripod and then the light itself. So the light is quite big, like as big as my face. That's nice. It also comes with three other things. The thing that holds your phone, like heavy. So it's like good quality and it's not plastic. And then this piece basically attaches to here, which attaches to the tripod. And then you got your little controller for remote shooting and stuff like that. So step one, screw these two together. Step two, screw this here. Step three, screw this here. And then since it's at a degree, you can undo this, change it, which also loosens that, and then tighten it again so that it's sturdy. Let me show you the bottom first. Loosen that and then, okay, and then tighten it again. There we go. And there you have your completed selfie ring light. So for more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, let me know what you think about this. Please continue watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.